What you doing? How you doing? Hey, how you doing, folks? What you doing? This is Joey Diphard for Hit the Bid News. They call me Joey Diphard because it's the way I trade the stock market. What you doing? Right now, well, you're in a predicament where you're thinking about getting into the stock market, right? And you're just afraid the market's gonna dip hard when you buy in. You're not gonna know what to do. It's all about sentiment, my friends. All right, listen to me. All right. They call me Joey Diphard because I don't get into the market until the market dips hard. I'm under the impression that the market's got a little bit of a bottom here, so to speak. You don't know what's going to happen, obviously, a couple of months down the road, but right now, I'm talking about it right now. I'm talking about right now. Joey Diphard is telling you want to be buying dips. When it dips hard, better for you. Now, yesterday, we're looking at the stock market, all right, and the market's starting to sell off. You're all in a panic because, hey, it looks like we're about to break out. Now we're talking about a market that's dipping hard. Joey Diphard was right there. All right, listen to me. Because my cousin, underlying bid, is in the house, if you know what I'm talking about. My cousin, underlying bid. Joey Diphard and underlying bid go hand in hand. Because I ain't nothing without my cousin. You ain't nothing without your friends, your cousins, your family. So when the market starts to dip hard, you should be looking for the buying opportunities, is what I'm saying. You got a stock, it's $25. Next thing you know, it's dipping hard at 22 and a half. You don't think about going short. You don't think about the stock going down more. It's dipping hard. You got to be buying into this thing like the X yesterday. We got a nice dip hard in that stock. And what we doing? We were picking up that stock below where we thought we were ever going to see that stock because it dipped hard. Don't be panicking in the market when it's dipping hard. Joey Diphard's here to tell you. All right, now we're looking about those Qs. They ain't even back to where they came from when we had that rally out in November. So this dip was the last dip hard. We had this thinking it was going to go back to 25. Now every time it dips hard, we're looking to buy. Underlying bid, standing over here on my left, he's telling us, don't worry about it. We're looking for dip hards. Now, the rest of the stock market, what do we got? We had oil dipping hard. Now, some say it was a crash, a catastrophe, whatever. I just call it a dip hard. What do you think? Oil's not going to go back? What are you, stupid? Don't you know anything about the street already? Come on now. Dip hard. Dip hard. Joey Diphard. So look for it, all right? Take us out, Frank. All right, once again, the market's gapping up. So what am I looking for? Dipping. Dipping hard. I ain't buying into this gap up. You know me. Joey Diphard.